Hi, Nate here from Nate's Marketing Solutions. Right now I'm going to talk to you about SEO and link building. SEO, if you don't know, it stands for Search Engine Optimization. And what it means is if you have good SEO, then your website will show up first in the Google or in search engines for the keywords. Now I'm not going to talk about all sorts of crazy link building campaigns and tiered link building and link wheels and keyword rich articles. In my opinion, a lot of that's a waste of time. Just spamming links to your site doesn't really help. Google changes things all the time, and crazy link building campaigns are not reliable for the long run. So here's the method that's worked well for me. It's good on-page SEO. I'm going to go over how to do all of this in just a few minutes. But basically, you want your website to have good on-page SEO. It's not dealing with building external links. It's nothing with link building or anything like that. You want your site to be squared away. You also, for the backlink purposes, I'll talk about quality backlinks. Now what I mean by quality backlinks is links that people will see, actual real people will see and click on and come to your website. They're not links just for search engines that only search engines will see. I'm talking good quality backlinks people will see, people will click on. Remember, this whole thing is for people, not for search engines. A few quality backlinks are guest posts, article marketing, Facebook, social media shares. Stuff like that is what I'm talking about with quality backlinks. I go into it a little more later on, but yeah. So good on-page SEO and then quality backlinks that actual real people see. Alright, now I'm going to talk to you about how to set up good on-page SEO. Okay, now how do you check your on-page SEO? Well, I personally use SEO Doctor, which is a Firefox plugin. It just does a quick check on your website that you're on. This is the website for the SEO Doctor. It's free, Firefox plugin. I'm sure Google Chrome has something similar, but I use the one on Firefox. For example, see this green flag right up here? This shows that my on-page SEO is good to go. If you click it, you get a whole bunch more details. And if stuff isn't good on your website, then it'll let you know. Like maybe you need an H1 tag or alt image tag or something along those lines. It'll let you know what's wrong with your page. So that's just a quick way to check your on-page SEO. Now here's what's included on-page SEO. Your page title says what the page is about. Meta description, again, says what the page is about. Meta keywords, it's 5 to 8 keywords or keyword phrases that pertain to the page. H1 headline says what the article is about, which is what the page is about. You see the connection here. The body text matches the title, the description, the keywords, the headline, matches all that stuff. You want it around at least 500 or more words. Again, it's not keyword rich articles. It's just what you got to write about what your title is, and in doing so, you'll probably include keywords automatically. Don't focus on keywords. Focus on good quality content for people. If you include any images, which is a good idea anyway, search engines like images, always include an alt and a title tag on your images, and then the URL structure. Make sure it matches the content. For example, www.yoursite.com/exercises/directions/how to do a push-up. That would be a great place to put your article on how to do a push-up, as opposed to something random like yoursite.com/some numbers, some more numbers, another number. It doesn't really match what your article is about because it's just numbers. So you want it to match what your article is about. If you followed my WordPress setup video or directions, I told you how to set up the permalink structure, and if you did what I said, you're already good to go on this. If not, you want to mess with your permalink structure, or if you're not using WordPress, just make sure it makes sense. Alright, now here's an example in Dreamweaver of including all the good on-page SEO items. So here's Dreamweaver right here. So here's the title tag that I talked about, page title, and then we'll do the meta description and meta keywords. So this is like a awesome, can't spell awesome dragon. Keywords, awesome dragon, fire breathing dragon. Remember, it's 5 to 8 keywords. Description, this is an article about an awesome fire breathing dragon. See, like that. There's also the meta name robots. You want to make sure your page is indexable. This is the correct line to have your page indexable. That means that search engines will pick up your page. The H1 comment, we'll go with fire breathing dragon. We got an awesome image right here. Remember the alt tag, we can put it in right here. Fire breathing dragon, and a title tag, awesome dragon. So there's the alt and title tag for your image. Then you'll have your article, which is 500 words, that talks about dragons, fire breathing, and awesomeness. And what else do we have? And then, of course, we'll save it as something along the lines of fire breathing dragon. So save as fire breathing dragon.html. Alright, so that's what it looks like as like an HTML file. Now I'll do it in WordPress real quick for you. So WordPress will automatically make the title tag also the H1 title tag. So WordPress will take care of a lot of this stuff for you. I believe only Thesis brings in the meta description and meta keywords and the meta robots, which I mentioned earlier. But maybe WordPress has it built in now, or you might need to install a SEO plugin on your WordPress site. There's like SEO Yoast, SEO Presser, but like I said, I think Thesis has it built in, and that's why I have these options. So you might need, if you don't have the ability to add a meta description and the meta keywords, try and install SEO Yoast or SEO Presser. SEO Yoast is free, and SEO Presser is paid. But yeah, if you don't have meta description option or meta keywords option, get a SEO plugin for WordPress. But you can do the title, fire breathing dragons. We'll insert the image. If you click that little thing up there, it'll let you do the title, awesome dragon. Advanced settings. It's a title right here again. Where's the sort? The alt. Should have an alt somewhere in here. Sorry. As long as you have the title, you should be good. I believe there's a alt somewhere in here, or you can go in and manually edit it. Alright, made this the alt. So you can go in and edit this to fire breathing dragon. Then you'll have, of course, the article, 500 plus words, mentions dragons and fire and awesomeness. You can set a custom title tag. If you don't set a custom title tag, it'll automatically make this the custom title tag, or the title tag. Meta description, again, my article on fire breathing dragons. Keywords, fire breathing dragons, awesome. You get the idea. And then here's the meta robots. I wouldn't check any of these unless you don't want your article indexed. And if you look up here, you'll see your permalink structure, which is what I was talking about earlier. See how it says fire breathing dragons in the URL, just like I gave an example of earlier. That's how you do that. We'll publish it real quick. We'll take a look at it. And we'll view the source. You'll see here we got the title, the description, the keywords, that robots thing right here. You'll see that the H1 right here, the fire breathing dragons, and I've already shown you the permalink structure is right there. So that's the good on-page SEO, and that's how you set that up.